Part of Health Bear's mission is to bring awareness around the environmentally conscious work we see people doing around the globe. We have found the ultimate reuse effort to share with you on this Earth Day. Health Bear applauds Ocean Soul, a non-profit organization employing Kenyan artists who gather discarded flip-flops and plastic off of African beaches to create cool contemporary animal sculptures. These artisans are reusing in a way that combines both cleanup and repurposing in the most creative and spectacular way. Discarded flip-flops are turned into expressive animal sculptures by a force of over 900 staff and artists living in the African coastline. It is incredible to realize that this phenomenal practice is cleaning up plastic debris, bringing awareness around ocean pollution, preserving the seas, and employing creatives in Kenya. So if you are shopping for a meaningful gift for an animal lover, an environmentalist, or an art collector, support this incredible effort by shopping at Ocean Soul. Saturday 22nd is Earth Day. Find me at Golden Gate Park in San Francisco. I will have our protein oatmeal cups on display and for sale. I'd love to meet you and hear all about the new and exciting ways that people are caring for the earth. We'll see you then.